Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Shehroz. My registration number is 2020 CS439. Today I am here to stimulate DLD lab number 9 tasks. So here is our first task. Register with parallel load. In this, as you can see, I have successfully made this circuit on Multisim Live. Here, here is one load connected to two NOT gates, and we have three inputs. We have 4 input D0, D1, D2 and D3, and here is clear button by which all inputs will be reset to their state. Here we used 4 D flip-flop circuits. So let's start by simulating and see what happens, how it works. As we can see, the input the load and input 0 both are connected to two AND gates, and these are connected to OR, and this OR is connected to the flip-flop circuit. When load is 0, the input to first NOT gate is 1, and 1, here it becomes 0, and again next it again becomes 1, and the input 1 is given to OR gate here, and when we have 1, then the same input is given to this OR. And as we can see here on our clock, our clock becomes high. As we can see here, our final output is what we give input. Our final output here is 1. Also all these remaining rest cases are also same, D1, D2, D3. As we can let's see the second. When we have D1 is equal to 1, as we can see our clock here is low, it will become high, and we can see here we give input 1, our output will be also 1. So all these cases are same. Here we can see all the circuit is reset to final initial state. So let's move to DLD lab task number 2. Here is DLD lab task number 2. Here we have digital constant and our clock and clear option. I have made this circuit before on Multisim Live, so let's simulate it. Let's see what happens and how it works. When we have clock, when we on our clock, here we can see so let's simulate it. We keep digital constant 1, and when we switch on clock, here we got input high. Next, when we again switch on, here we will get input 1. Next, here we will get input 1, and also when we again switch on our clock, we will get input here 1. One thing is missing. And final thing is our ground. I think they are removed mistakenly. Now simulate it and see what happens. when we on our turn on our clock for the fifth time. So as we can 2 3 4, as we can see, when we turn on our clock for the first time, this LED one lights up. So here how this circuit works. Thank you very much, hope you understand well. Khuda Hafiz.